Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell on Temu. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Temu. After that, click on first link, and you will be redirected to official page of Temu website. Once you are on the Temu, just make sure you are signed in into your account. Now, if you want to sell on a Temu, just simply scroll down to the very bottom, and you should be able to see here Partner with Temu under Help section. So click on that, and you will be on this page. First thing that you will do is, of course, read the code of conduct. So this will be the outline standard or the rules and regulations and the law in order for you to be accepted to be a seller. So click on a code of conduct over here. And as you can see, make sure to read this description. And now if we go back, we are also going to see here some of the list of prohibited products. And you can just click over here. And now this is the list of the products that are prohibited on selling in Temu. Now, go back and simply email them over here on a what do you want to sell? Why do you want to sell, and what is your business address, your logistic info, and your merchant info? So just simply provide the necessary information, and after providing all your details, you need to submit it. And then the Temu team will look at the details, and they will verify your application. And after that, you will be registered as a seller on Temu. So that's basically how you can sell on Temu. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.